Get younger, fresh-looking glowing skin with my glowing skin recipe. Everybody develops wrinkles and fine lines because of natural aging process. In this video I'm sharing very easy, effective and best homemade anti-aging recipe for youthful and glowing skin with only 2 natural ingredients.It will reduce fine lines and wrinkles and make skin tighten and brighten in just 15 days. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 4 to 5 green cardamom pods, 4 cups water. Instructions: crush the green cardamom pods slightly to release their flavor. In a pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Add the crushed cardamom pods and fennel seeds to the boiling water. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to infuse the flavors. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Strain the infused water into cups or a pitcher, discarding the cardamom pods and fennel seeds. You can drink this infused water warm or chilled. Benefits for glowing skin and anti-aging. The combined effects of these spices can promote glowing skin and help counteract the effects of aging. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin, which help combat free radicals that contribute to premature aging and skin damage. Fennel seeds contain compounds like anethole and flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory properties. Fennel seeds have diuretic properties that assist in flushing out toxins from the body. This can indirectly contribute to clearer skin and improved overall health. Good digestion is linked to healthier skin. Fennel seeds aid digestion, reduce bloating, and prevent constipation, which can reflect positively on your skin's appearance. Cardamom. Cardamom is packed with antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, protecting your skin from oxidative stress and premature aging. The spice has properties that can improve blood circulation. Proper circulation ensures that nutrients and oxygen are efficiently delivered to skin cells, contributing to a healthy glow. Like fennel seeds, cardamom also supports detoxification processes, helping to purify the body and potentially leading to clearer skin.